When I was growing up, Halloween was the most interesting holiday for me because I never know who I'm going to be or what I'm going to be until the day of Halloween. My parents never take me Halloween costume or ask me who I want to be because we didn't have it like that. So one day I got home from school and my mom was like, "Hey man, we're going to take you trick-or-treating and I got a costume for you. I made it." And I know my mom, she sews stuff on very well. And I also know her that she's good at putting scraps together. So she gave me this outfit, right? And I put it on. I look in the mirror and I see a little piece of the pillowcase, a piece of bed sheets and everything. And I'm like, okay, whatever. I kind of look like Peter Pan. So I'm like, all right, I'll rock with it. And all of a sudden she busts out her makeup line. She got her lipstick, blush, eyeshadow. And she starts slapping it on. She's like, "Oh, you look scary and good." Now I went from Peter Pan looking like I'm the Walking Dead and I'm in a strip club. So I don't even know how that works. So now I'm going trick-or-treating, right? This one friend of mine, she was trying to be nice about it because she wasn't figured out like, "Oh, what the hell you are, man? I'm not sure." She asked me and I'm like, "I'm not really sure either, but you know, do I look scary?" She said, "Well, you look like Dracula." So I'm thinking to my head like, "Ooh, Dracula? That sounds good." I didn't even know what it was because English wasn't my first language. So I'm all night going trick-or-treating. I tell everybody, "Oh, I'm Dracula." They look at me, they be like, "Yeah, I think I can see that now." And I'm like, "Okay, you can see it?" I was so excited, y'all. I tell you what.